Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. You know, the place with all those aesthetically pleasing pictures of kitchens you can't afford and DIY projects you'll never actually do? Turns out, it's also a goldmine for passive income. We're going to break down exactly how you can turn those pins into profits even if you're starting from scratch. No fancy website, no tech skills needed. So, if you're ready to make Pinterest your new side hustle, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Pinterest, let's do a super quick refresher on what affiliate marketing actually is. Basically, it's like being that friend who always has the best recommendations. You find a product you love, you share it with your audience, and if they buy it through your special affiliate link, boom, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't have to deal with any of the headaches of actually selling a product. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, just pure, beautiful recommendation magic. Think of it like being a digital middleman. You're connecting people with the products they need and getting a cut for playing matchmaker. Now there are a ton of ways to do affiliate marketing, blogs, YouTube channels, Instagram, you name it. But today, we're focusing on the power of Pinterest. Trust me, it's way more than just wedding planning and inspirational quotes. Now you might be thinking, Pinterest, isn't that just for recipes and DIY fails? And yeah, you'll find plenty of those too. But here's the thing, Pinterest is actually a visual search engine. That's right, people go on Pinterest specifically to search for things they want to buy. They're literally in shopping mode, which is why it's perfect for affiliate marketing. Think about it. When you're planning a trip, redecorating your living room, or just looking for the perfect pair of shoes, where do you go for inspiration? Pinterest. And when you see something you like, what do? You click that Shop Now button. Plus, Pinterest has one major advantage over other platforms: pin longevity. Unlike an Instagram story that disappears after 24 hours or a Facebook post that gets lost in the feed, Pinterest pins can stay active and get clicks for months, even years after you post them. Okay, ready to jump in? Let's talk about what you need to get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. The good news is, it's surprisingly simple. First up, a Pinterest business account. Don't worry, it's completely free to set up. Just head over to Pinterest and click on Create a Business Account. This will give you access to analytics, which will be super helpful later on, when you want to see what's working and what's not. Next, you'll need to join an affiliate network or find brands that offer affiliate programs. This is where you'll find the products you want to promote and get your unique affiliate links. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Rakuten, and CJ Affiliate. But there are tons out there. You'll also want to grab yourself a Canva account. Canva is a lifesaver when it comes to creating eye-catching pins. It's basically drag and drop design, even for us design-challenged folks. Now, let's talk about products. You can't just start pinning random stuff and expect the money to roll in. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that are actually relevant to your audience. Think about the topics you're passionate about, the things you already pin about, and the things your followers engage with. Are you all about home decor, fitness, fashion, travel, personal finance? Whatever your niche, there are affiliate products out there just waiting to be promoted. Let's say your niche is self-care, for example. You could promote things like essential oil diffusers, comfy loungewear, journals, meditation apps, you name it. Alright, now for the fun part, creating your pins. This is where you get to unleash your inner creative genius, or at least pretend to. Remember, Pinterest is all about visuals, so your pins need to be eye-catching and engaging. First things first, pin size. You want to go with vertical pins, ideally 1000 pixels by 1500 pixels. This size tends to perform best on Pinterest and ensures your pins won't get cut off in the feed. Next, up design. This is where Canva comes in handy. Choose a template you like or start from scratch, and make sure to use high-quality images that are relevant to your product. You want your pins to be visually appealing and on-brand with your niche. Don't forget the text. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts and keep your text concise and attention-grabbing. Tell people what they'll get by clicking on your pin, and don't be afraid to use a clear call to action like Shop Now, Learn More, or Get the Look. Creating amazing pins is just the first step. You also need to make sure people actually see them. That's where Pinterest SEO comes in. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of Pinterest like Google, but for pictures. People type in keywords, and Pinterest shows them relevant pins. Your job is to optimize your pins so they show up in those search results. Start by using relevant keywords in your pin title, description, and board names. For example, if you're promoting a cozy blanket, you might use keywords like cozy blanket, throw blanket, living room decor, bedroom ideas, and so on. Next, save your pins to relevant boards. Don't just save everything to a generic products I love board. Create specific boards around different categories within your niche, and make sure your pins are saved to the most relevant ones. Hashtags are also key. Use relevant hashtags in your pin descriptions to help people find your content. Think of hashtags like categories on Instagram. They help Pinterest understand what your pin is about and show it to the right people. Okay, let's bring it all together with a real-life example. Say I'm scrolling through Amazon, and I come across this super cool, aesthetic desk lamp. It's right up my alley, minimalist, functional, and perfect for my home office setup. I head over to Canva and whip up a pin that says something like, "Cozy desk setup must-have," or "Upgrade your workspace with this chic lamp." I use a high-quality image of the lamp in a stylish office setting and make sure my text is clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Next, I upload my pin to Pinterest, add my affiliate link, either directly or through a redirect, and write a keyword-rich description that includes relevant terms like desk lamp, home office, workspace inspiration, and so on. Finally, I save my pin to my home office ideas board and any other relevant boards I have, like interior design inspiration or productivity hacks. And boom, my pin is live and working hard for me in the background. Alright, before we wrap things up, let's go over some quick do's and don'ts of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Do focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality, engaging pins than a ton of spammy, low-effort ones. Do stay consistent with your pinning schedule. The more you pin, the more visible you'll become. Do disclose your affiliate links. It's important to be transparent with your audience and let them know that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. You can do this by adding #ad to your pin descriptions or using Pinterest's built-in affiliate link disclosure feature. Now for the don'ts, don't spam unrelated pins. Stick to your niche and don't pin random stuff just to try to make a quick buck. Don't rely solely on trends. While it's good to stay up to date on current trends, don't build your entire strategy around them. Want to take your Pinterest affiliate marketing to the next level? Here are a few advanced tips to help you maximize your earnings. Create niche-specific boards. Instead of just having a general fashion board, create more specific boards like boho chic outfits, workwear essentials, or summer-style inspiration. This will help you target a more specific audience and make it easier for people to find what they're looking for. Test different product types and pin styles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of products and pin designs to see what resonates best with your audience. You might be surprised at what ends up performing well. Track your clicks and conversions. Use your affiliate dashboard and Pinterest analytics to track which pins are driving the most traffic and sales. This will help you identify your top-performing content and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Join affiliate programs with higher commissions. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer significantly higher commissions than others, so it's worth doing your research to find the best ones for your niche. And that's how you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. It's super beginner friendly, doesn't require a website, and has the potential to earn you passive income for months or even years to come. Remember, the key is to choose products you love, create high-quality pins, optimize them for search, and stay consistent with your pinning schedule. Drop A in the comments if you're going to try this, and let me know your niche. I'm excited to see what you create. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online.